Here's how to view check register in QuickBooks Online. Begin from within QuickBooks Online and first make sure the correct company is selected before you continue. If you work with more than one company file, this is worth checking now so you do not open the register for the wrong business. Once you are in the right company, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the menu where account and company tools are stored. Under the Your Company section, select Chart of Accounts. That takes you to the full list of accounts in the company, including bank accounts, credit cards, income accounts, and other categories used in the books. In the chart, find the checking account or other bank account whose register you want to review. If you have several similar account names, take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one before opening the register. When you locate the account, go to the Action column on the same row and click View Register. QuickBooks will open the account register for that specific account. The register displays the transactions that have been recorded there. You will see checks along with deposits, payments, and other entries tied to that account. This view is useful when you want to look through activity in one place instead of moving through separate transaction screens. If the register contains many entries, use the available filter options to narrow what you see. You can filter by transaction type, date, or other criteria that appear in the register. This helps reduce the list so you can focus on the transactions that match what you are trying to review. After filtering, if needed, locate the check transaction you want to examine. Scroll through the register or use the filtered results until you find the correct entry. Click directly on that transaction in the register to expand it. Once expanded, the transaction details become visible so you can review the information recorded for that check. Depending on the entry, this may include the date, amount, payee, and related account details shown in the register view. When you're finished reviewing the check, you can return to the chart of accounts if you want to open a different account, or stay in the register and continue looking through other transactions in the same account. Thanks for watching. You have now opened the account register in QuickBooks Online and viewed the details of a check transaction.